welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. And today is week number 2 out of the 3-week Bachata arm styling challenge. Today we're going to learn one more arm style and we're going to get creative by mixing and matching. Stay tuned. Now, first thing first, let's get to the explanation of the new arm style, which I call it the peacock. And why you're going to see this? Because it literally, you need to imagine that you are a beautiful peacock opening your feathers nicely and wide. Yes? So let's try that. It's very similar. Don't get confused with the painting the wall. Painting the wall is to the side and peacock is going back, okay? Also the difference is on the way down for painting the wall, you go with the hands, your palms facing down, and on this situation, on the peacock, you turn your wrist and then go down. All right, so let's give it a try. We're here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it 4 times, arms only, to the music, 4 times with the basic. Let's do it. Alright ladies, congratulations, we just learned another style, but now it's time to get creative. But if you're still having difficulties with the last one, go ahead and pause it and practice a little bit longer. Now, let's go ahead and review first the 3 styles that we previously learned last week, and then we can start creating some magic, okay? So style number 1 will be the natural style. Right now I'm going to mirror you, so then I'm going to start with my left and you're going to start with your right. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that will be style number 1, natural looking. And then we did the style number 2, which is painting the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we also did style number 3, which is framing your body. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And style number 4, which we just learned, is peacock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so now that we are all clear, this is what's going to happen. Pay a lot of attention because we're going to just follow along, okay? So we're going to do style number 2. The one we're going to leave it aside for a second. So we're going to do style number 2 as is, and then style number 2 with number 3, and then style number 2 with number 4. Yes? Alright ladies, so now for style number 3, we're going to do as is. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to match now the going up with style number 1 of going down, style number 2 with style number 4 of going down. Let's give it a try. We're going to go ahead and do the style number 4, which is the peacock, just as is, and then we're going to do peacock with style number 2, peacock with style number 3. Let's do it. And now, all of it, but to the basic and to the music. Let's do repetition of 3. Alright ladies, so now all you have to do is practice your fundamentals, then you can start getting a little bit creative, and from there you can make it your own. Practice this full week. Remember, next week we are going to do a little sequence, a little simple routine, so we can start adding the arm styling that we've been learning these 2 weeks. Alright, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. And if you think this was useful for you, please go ahead and share with your friends and family, and don't forget also to comment. I want to hear from you. I want to see what's going on, how you're doing with your arm styling. Alright guys, see you next week.